That way. Hey guys, welcome back to the Monster Placement. Today, I'm vlog. That way. Oh, oops, sorry. That way. Come on. Look at the stubborn pit. That way. That way. This way. Come on. I'll walk you over here. Ball! Hey, about the ball? Yeah, he still cares. He's walking off. Look at him. He's a savage. He eats this ball. Can I get it? Can I? Alright. Ready? Savage. That's savage! He jumped, dude. He's a savage. You don't care, do you? Toss it to you. Grab it. Look at a savage over here. He's a complete savage. Savage. Hey! Right in the face, man. Want it again?
No, you hit it.
Yeah, bounce off the... Yeah, you are. Go and get it. Fetch, dog. Fetch. Here you go.
You just told yourself to fetch.
Still, you fetch. Shut up.
Record.
Shut up.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm recording right now, bro.
Yeah.
Focus the ball. Savage. Alright, let it go, savage. Thank you.
This time you can throw it, okay? Maybe you'll make it to me. 10. 10.
Let it go, savage. Let it go, savage. Savage to bull chains.
That's my fault. I keep throwing it too low.
Look at this bull chains to this tiny little tree. They can hear you.
I give up.
You give up, man. Drop it, savage. Oh. Alright. Ball. Drop it, savage. Drop it. Whoa. Bro. Whip yuck mouth in shadow. Thank you. Hey, up. Up. Over here. Sorry, I was focused on the ground. Throw it up. Make sure it goes up and tries to go by him. It's out of his range. Come on. Let it go, savage.
But you know how I don't.
Yeah, no.
I'd be the idiot to do that too.
Savage. Savage. This isn't really his real name. No, his name's gonna be changed. It's not. No, it's not gonna stay Chance. No, it's not. He chooses his name. Chance. You ready? Ball. Look at that. Look at this. This dog did this crap. Like, bro. What do you guys see in there? YouTube. YouTube. No, YouTube.
Oh, I'm not talking to you.
I was talking to YouTube, you idiot. YouTube.
What's up, nigga?
You white. Oh, okay, he's in trouble. Cat! Get over here, dog. Yeah, keep jumping.
Bro, why can't guns be illegal here? My nigga, shoot a fucking cat, bro.
Bam! I'm gonna walk you this way. Over here.
Come on, nigga. Come on, nigga. Here. Hey, nigga. Hey, little nigga.
This guy's in the streets, right? He survived the streets. The only thing he knows is worse than me was cats. This guy got off the leash earlier. This fat self, man.
Little nigga. What's his name?
He got out the little leash, though.
Had to put 2 leashes on him. He got off this leash right here. You got this one right here. It's tighter. Tight around this big one.